When it comes to enhancing the functionality, security, and aesthetic appeal of your home or business, one of the most important upgrades you can make is to install a new door. Whether you're replacing an old entryway or upgrading to a more stylish design, opting for professional door installation in Sumter offers a range of benefits. Here's a look at the top reasons why hiring a professional door installer is a smart choice for anyone looking to improve their property. Expertise and experience. A key advantage of hiring a professional door installation service is the expertise they bring to the table. Experienced installers understand the nuances of different types of doors and how to properly fit them into your space. Whether it's a front door, patio door, or interior door, professionals ensure that the door is installed securely and functions as intended. They are familiar with the technical aspects of installation, such as ensuring that the frame is level, the hinges are correctly aligned, and the door swings properly without any gaps. With their knowledge, you can avoid common mistakes that DIY enthusiasts might make, such as improper sealing, misalignment, or even damaging the door or surrounding structure. Improved security. The security of your home or business depends largely on the quality and installation of your doors. A professional door installer knows exactly how to ensure your door is properly fitted to provide the best possible protection against intruders. This includes securing the door frame, properly aligning the lock mechanism, and choosing the right materials for added security. If you install a door yourself, there's a greater chance of improper fitting, which can leave gaps or weak spots that burglars might exploit. Professionals take care to install the door tightly, minimizing the risk of break-ins. Additionally, they can recommend high-quality locks and security features, such as deadbolts or smart locks, to further enhance the safety of your property. Energy efficiency. A professional installation ensures that your new door fits perfectly and is properly sealed. Gaps around doors can let in drafts, causing your heating or cooling systems to work harder, leading to higher energy bills. A skilled installer will make sure that your door is installed with the proper weather stripping and seals, improving your home's energy efficiency. This is especially important for exterior doors that are exposed to the elements. By ensuring your door is properly sealed, you can maintain a more comfortable indoor climate and reduce the strain on your HVAC system, ultimately saving you money in the long run. If energy efficiency is a concern, a professional installer can also help you choose an energy-efficient door that meets modern standards. Aesthetic appeal. The right door can dramatically enhance the appearance of your home or business, and professional installation ensures that the door is not only functional but also aesthetically pleasing. Whether you're aiming for a classic look or a more modern, sleek design, professionals can guide you in selecting the best door that complements your property's style. Furthermore, professional installers ensure that the door is properly aligned and fits seamlessly into the frame, preventing any unsightly gaps or crookedness that can make even the most beautiful door look unappealing. A well-installed door boosts your curb appeal and makes a great first impression on visitors or potential buyers if you ever decide to sell your property. Time and convenience. Installing a door might seem like a straightforward task, but there's more to it than meets the eye. From measuring the door to making sure it's properly hung and aligned, door installation is a time-consuming process that requires precision. When you hire a professional, you can rest assured that the job will be done quickly and efficiently, allowing you to focus on other important tasks. Attempting to install a door yourself can take longer than expected, especially if you run into problems along the way. Professional installers have the tools, skills, and experience to get the job done correctly the first time, saving you time and hassle. Warranty and guarantee. Another significant benefit of professional door installation is the peace of mind that comes with a warranty or guarantee. Many reputable door installation companies offer warranties on both the doors they install and their workmanship. This means that if something goes wrong or the door malfunctions due to installation issues, you can count on the company to fix it without additional costs. In contrast, if you install the door yourself and something goes wrong, you would be responsible for repairing or replacing it at your own expense. Conclusion. Professional door installation in Sumter offers a variety of benefits that go beyond just getting a new door in place. With expert installation, improved security, enhanced energy efficiency, and a boost in aesthetic appeal, opting for a professional ensures that your door performs its best and adds value to your property. Whether you're upgrading your home's entrance or replacing an old door, a professional installation is an investment that pays off in the long run.